The most important thing is not big words, but what we do in our daily work. You all choose to stay in Ukraine to help and support the transport sector here, and I'm really proud of you that you're doing it. In 2025, we at Scania Ukraine continued to work. We delivered trucks, we provided financing, we supported our customers, we serviced vehicles, we developed and we celebrated. We kept learning. And we opened up new opportunities for others, such as our female truck drivers and mechanics. And that in spite of everything that's going on around us. This year, we work closely with veterans, incredible people. They taught us resilience and flexibility, and we got lots of inspiration from them. For Scania Ukraine, 2025 was above all about people. Our team, our partners, our customers. Everyone who looks to the future with courage, who believes in Ukraine, who believes in people and in our path forward together. Thank you, and I wish you and your families peaceful holidays.